Hey guys, this is Ben, and welcome to Craig 3D Printing Space. Here's my review of the ZONESTAR Dual Extrusion Printer. I'd like to give a shout out to James at Print and Play for his review on this printer and helping me decide on my first 3D printer. If you'd like to check out James at Print and Play, look for the link below after this video. The ZONESTAR Dual Extruder is a DIY printer. That means you'll be building it from the ground up. It comes tightly packed, and everything is labeled very well. Within the packing there is an SD card that gives you instructions on how to build it. Building for this printer for me took about 3 hours, and I didn't have any issues with it. The printer features a 220 by 220 by 240 millimeter print area, heated in bed, Bowden tube extrusion system, dual extrusion hot end assembly for dual color prints. Some optional upgrades that you can get with this printer are like an auto leveling sensor. There is also filament runout sensors that will shut your printer down and stop it from continuing the print if you run out of filament during the print. You can also get a laser engraver for this printer. The printer can print directly from the SD card, which is supplied with the printer, or you can tether it to a computer with the USB cord through Repeater Host or other programs that will recognize it. Personally, I recommend Repeater Host. It has been the easiest for me to deal with. As you watch this video, you're going to see quite a few of the prints that I have done. I have done a lot of things, a lot of tweaking, and I've had several failures. I did not post any of the failures, but trust me, they were there. Overall, my prints have come out pretty clean, and I've had very little issue with them. Some prints did take a little bit of tweaking, such as layer height and retraction, to get right. Here are just a few examples of the things I've printed on the ZONESTAR Dual Extruder. All of these prints can be found on Thingiverse. If this is your first time printing, Thingiverse is a great source for a lot of STL files to print. I was very surprised at the dual color prints on this printer. They came out very clean, as you can see here with this dual color frog. There wasn't very much issue getting the printer heads to match, or actually getting them adjusted by level height. If you've read reviews, you know that's been an issue for some people, but honestly, it wasn't that hard to take care of. If you have questions, leave a comment below. So if you're in the market to buy a 3D printer, and you're looking at dual color, I fully support buying this printer. Yes, everything in this video is my personal opinion on the matter, but I've had a lot of fun with this printer. It's been very easy to use, and even though I did come across a few little technical issues, they were fairly easy to fix. If I didn't understand something, I just asked somebody in the 3D print community, and they were very helpful with getting me on the right track. If it came to something very technical that happened with the printer, such as one piece breaking, contact ZONESTAR support. They're pretty adamant about getting back to you very quickly and trying to get you through any problems that you have with your printer. They have no problem answering questions, and they've been very supportive with me on doing everything that I've done with my printer. I'm also going to be leaving a link below for the power cover that I had to add to this printer. The on-off switch that comes with the printer is mounted in a very not so ideal spot. It's actually directly under where the line voltage comes into the printer. Now that line voltage does have a cover, but better safe than sorry. So I do suggest once you get your printer, get it set up, print this first, install it, and save yourself the headache of trying to reach underneath those wires just to shut it down. So whether this is going to be your first 3D printer, second, third, 25th, or however many printers you have, I fully support buying this printer. Like I said before, I've had a lot of fun with it. And it's one of those things where you can do dual color. Not every printer can do that without doing some major upgrades. And if you don't really want to do those upgrades or modify another printer because it's doing so well for you now, this is a great one to add. It's a great one to begin with as well. Like I said, I started a month ago on this printer and I've already had quite a bit of success. I've had a lot of fun doing this, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, if you liked this content and you like this review, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for notifications of when I have new content coming out, such as the print that you're seeing right now, which is a thermal image of a test frog that I had done. There's already another video of this on my channel where you can see it from beginning to end. So that's everything. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, keep creating your dream.